Hi fellow YouTubers, welcome to the January letter update. This letter for this month is the letter H. I've got 2 Blu-rays, 2 TV shows, and 4 DVDs. I'll start with the Blu-ray. The first Blu-ray I got was Happy Feet. It's quite a good one. Happy Feet. Next one's Flying By. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Been eyeing this one off for a few months. Maybe if you've seen it, you can make a comment. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. I'll do the DVDs and then the TV shows. This one is Hannah Montana, the movie. Sorry, I'm trying to drop something here. There we go. I know this is based on like the younger generation, but it is kind of a decent movie. Next one is Hayden, Alice and Ashley. I used to read the book all the time at school. It's got Australian Delta Cookery in it, and it's also an Australian movie on it. Next one is Flying By, but it's got a lot of my favourite actors and actresses in it. How do you know? How do you know? The next one is really, really awesome. I've already watched it. It's called Horrible Bosses. If you haven't checked it out, I suggest you do. So the TV shows, first one is season 1 of How I Met Your Mother. I quite like the art version of this. This is also a Flying By. I also got the second season of it. And then the last one is also a Flying By. The first season of Haven. I've seen these two in something, but I can't remember what. It's based on the King's story of the Colorado Kid. And it sounds really good on the synopsis. Where an FBI agent travels to a small town and she discovers that there's people with superpowers there, and she tries to unlock those secrets, but her past somehow influences things. So yeah, sounds interesting. And that's pretty much the letter update for January. Next month's letter is the letter I. If need be, I will Google and use that letter. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video.